We can discuss a React 3 Fiber app without mentioning the following three essential components. The coordinate system. Actually, we can discuss 3D at all without a 3-axis coordinate system, as it serves as a tool for measuring and defining positions, orientations, and transformations within the 3D space we are working in. The coordinate system in React 3 Fiber is right-handed, which means the forward direction is represented by negative values, while the backward direction is represented by positive values. Additionally, the z-axis represents the forward-backward directions, while the y-axis represents the top-bottom directions. Secondly, we have the scene. The scene is the 3D space in which we add our objects, including meshes, models, lights, etc. And thirdly, the camera. Just as shows in movies rely on a camera to capture the action within a certain space in a scene, the same principle applies here. In other words, the camera determines the perspective and visibility of the scene's content. And with this in mind, let's create our first React 3 Fiber app. First, import the canvas component and add it to your app. This creates a canvas element that encapsulates the three elements we've just discussed. The canvas is currently invisible because it has a white background, so let's change that. Now you'll likely want the scene to take up the full size of the page. To achieve this, we need to make the parent element of the canvas match the size of the window, as the canvas will inherit its size from the parent. As you can see, this works fine, but personally I prefer to separate the CSS into a different file. To do that, I'll delete this and add it to the index.css file after removing the default code. So we ended up with a full screen scene, but with some extra scrolling space. To remove it, we just need to eliminate any default margins applied to the body of the page.